It's common for siblings to disagree, even argue from time to time. Here are 4 tips for handling sibling conflicts. As a pediatrician and a mom, Dr. Pilar Bradshaw knows well that siblings often tangle, which is a natural part of child development.
So they're learning about social relationships, they're learning about sharing, they're learning about caregiving from each other, and often that goes off the rails.
Tip number 1 for handling sibling conflicts: intervene before someone gets hurt.
If kids are actually hurting each other, a parent needs to step in. I think it's also important to be listening to the conversation and intervene if there's a point where they're actually causing each other significant emotional damage.
Tip number 2, keep your cool.
Remember, when you're intervening as a parent, watch your words, because it's not that the kids are bad, it's that the behavior is bad. Also remember, when everybody is escalated, nobody is able to hear. You separate, give it 20 to 30 minutes for the adrenaline to decrease, and then you can go back to the situation and have a real discussion.
Tip number 3, listen fairly and identify the root cause of the conflict.
Anger is always a secondary emotion, meaning there's something underneath that anger, whether it's anxiety or sadness or frustration about what caused that conflict. Try to get to that underneath after the conflict when you're trying to resolve it.
And tip number 4, resolve problems with your kids, not for them.
Kids who are over the age of about 5 can often suggest a way to resolve a conflict. So engaging your kids and asking them, what do you think would be fair in this situation, can be helpful.
For more tips on handling sibling conflicts, head to eugenepeds.com/healthykids. I'm Kelly Warner.